Classic Plymouth, y'all. That's the muscle right there. That's the real Dodge Charger. Look how clean that is. I think they restored it because this is like a restoration place. They do like auto repair, body work, collision, painting, and all of that. 20 years experience. Damn, look at that. Tell me that's not clean. 440 Magnum. It says smile, you're on camera. Please don't. You're on camera, look, but please don't touch. That thing is clean. Look at those wheels. That thing is clean, y'all. Got the high ass. You know it's gonna take off. Real Mopar. The exhaust. Telling says I got the historic tag. I'm on camera. Hey, y'all on camera too. Look at that. Damn, y'all. It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown. Tires on there. This thing is clean. They got all those signs in it. Yeah, this they asking $18,000 for. Got the 440. This is 69. Look at that. Got a little crack right here, but that could be fixed. You already know. It's the Road Runner. I think this is a 69 Road Runner. Black leather interior. Oh. Get my zoom out. This one still need little work. See the gap right there. BF Goodrich tires. Still pretty clean. Hood got a little surface rust. Nothing too serious. Yeah, it's just a Buick. That ain't classics like these right here. Man, them things look good. Need the antenna. Other than that, look pretty good. Seat messed up a little bit, but not bad, not bad. The old school boat back there. I call them things boats. Big ass station wagon. Seems like a lot of people are like buying those now to hook up. That things is clean. Go back over here to this Charger. I can't remember the name of that one right there. Road Runner. Alright, y'all, we're gonna go check out some more. Alright, y'all know I'm over here where I always come a lot. They moved the Impala, I see over there in the the limo right there. Looks like they got some more cars. We've seen all these ones before. Got some trucks. Look like they moving stuff back further. They still got the Golf. Still got the Golf. Corvette. We seen the Golf last time. Then I gotta go to the bathroom. Dang, they moved a lot of cars. They do it my G35. They got the cars looking weird. Why they got them those facing that way and these facing that way? That's crazy. Yeah, we've seen all these before. The pickup truck is like, man, this thing is busted. The windows down, the passenger mirrors hanging. Dang, what happened to this thing? This must be a parts truck. That thing looking busted and it stinks in here. I can smell it through my mask. Dang, that truck is busted. Yeah, they using this for a parts truck. Look, they used to like, no, because that's where the bumper went. Yeah, this thing is beat. That thing stinks too. Tell it getting wet, smells like mold. Ooh, speaking of mold. Dang, why this thing like it was poured up out of a lake? Look at that. What do you think about this Explorer? This thing is, yeah, this thing was wet inside. Look at the mold. Yeah, this thing was pulled up out of something. Thing is, it smells disgusting inside. Ew. Ain't nobody buying this other than for parts, maybe. Gross. Yeah, this thing was definitely underwater somewhere. Underwater somewhere. Oh, the G35 autocross that was over there are gone. Yeah, I remember if you go back a few videos back, we were looking at the raggedy Cadillacs that are over there that were just like trash. Man, that's crazy. G35 could be back there though, because they got cars back there. This was not too bad for like a work truck. The Z71 tow hitch. Whew, we're getting a little nippy out here, a little cold. Let's see, I have a for sale sign there. I'm finding not interested in this truck, but they are asking. They don't even have a price. It's been, oh yeah, right there, $1,600 the best offer. 98 Silverado. It's a V6. $1,600 the best offer. What do you think about this? What y'all think about the Silverado? $1,600 the best offer. Would y'all pay that for that Silverado? And we seen these. These ain't nothing special. Got a Camry. They still got the trash Escalade. Cadillac. Right there. I'm not gonna walk too far. It's all muddy over there. But we'll just walk around the Camry. The old Land Rover over there. Got a dent. Yeah. They moved a lot of stuff. A lot of cars used to be right there. Maybe they're gonna move soon or something. I don't know. Woo! It is cold. Cold, cold, cold. Yeah, they ain't got much cars out here today. Not much out here today. So with the Charger right there. He's just like driving around in circles. What the hell he doing? We have a Chevy Chevette right here. It's definitely trash. Missing all the headlights. Ooh, it's rusted out in the front. No engine, no, nothing under there. If y'all can see, it is gutted. Nothing in there. Engine transmission gone. This thing is moldy. It looked like it was underwater. I love these Chevy Chevettes though. These are good little cars. My mom used to have one of these. I believe it was that she had, yeah. Chevette scooter. Yeah, look at that. It's all moldy and stuff. Yeah, it's old school. Give you that 70s, 80s feel with the seats. That thing is really moldy though. It's like pretty gross. This is gonna be a project It needs a hella cleaning. Like, ooh, hell of a cleaning. This thing needs a hell of a cleaning. And then y'all seen all these last time. This is definitely a huge project, restoration project right here. Thing is horrible. Dang, people. Chevelle right there. I was just thinking about a Chevelle. They got a Mustang. Let's go over here and look at the Mustang Escalade. They've been out here. I don't know if they sell these or they just work on them. Somebody here. It is cold though. Oh look, look. I got a white Mustang like the Mustang I looked at the other day, y'all. It is freezing. This Escalade got some big nice rims on it. Look at it sitting a while. The Mustang looks incomplete. That's old school Mustang. I don't know if y'all remember that one. This one's been sitting a while. This is the GT. This is way better than the one I looked at the other day. Y'all seen this in my video before. It's a stick. Where the paint is peeling on it. The tint is peeling. It's big ass Blazer right here. Escalade. Big rims. It don't seem like they be doing much work over here. Escalade, y'all see it? They got a lot of cars. Got the old van and stuff back there. Now look at these cars over here. Somebody live in there? Why is like I hear a dog barking inside there? They probably do. They got campers and shit all back there. Y'all, we seen all of these in my last video, so you're not seeing anything new. The G35, I guess somebody bought it or they sold it. It needed a whole rebuild anyway, so y'all seen all these anyways. If you're not subscribed, go ahead, comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Most of these cars over here we've seen. The only car that they have, or cars that they have left that I really love, you already know, is the Blazer right here and the Corvettes. And it's like, if you go back, well, I'll have to leave a link because I'm probably gonna do like video on cars I've had before, but it's on my Awesome Auction channel of when we won a storage unit or a storage auction with the 1980 Chevy Corvette in it, and it didn't run at first, but we got it running. It wasn't this one. This is a Stingray, but this is the badass one right here. The Stingray right here. Black leather interior, the T-tops. Getting the Corvette. This is the one you want right here. It's a Stingray. Let me see if the doors are open. Nah, they got the doors locked. That's what you would want right there. It's the Stingray. I would love to have this one. I'd pick this Corvette over the new ones. It's just the body. There's nothing like these. The body style of these, you can't find them nowhere these days. Like with this, the lines. Look how they made it. Look at the lines on this Corvette. Hope y'all can hear me. They don't make them like this no more. Look at this shape. How curvy this thing is. The lines, the detail of this car. Like, look at that. You see that? And the humps right here going over the wheel, the classic wheel. I'd pick this all day over the new one. They don't do this anymore. They don't make cars like this anymore. And then, you know, that type of material, heavy metal. This one is missing the passenger mirror, but it's all good. Yeah, but they don't make them like that no more. Every car these days look alike. You even got a Corvette over there in front of the door. But all the cars look alike these days. You look at the body, the shape, the detail of it. Look how they did the back windows. Got the T-tops as well. This one is fire, and it's red. That's why it's fire. The wheels aren't as nice as the GT over there. This one needs a whole lot more work, body work on it. But you got the leather interior and all of that too. So you're gonna need a door handle. It's missing a door handle, but all in all, it's still a nice vet. After you put some money into it, there you go. Obviously the Stingray is, you know, better, the one you'd want to have. But again, y'all, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this walk around. Mostly we've seen all these cars right here. They really didn't get anything new much this time, but it's all good. We still got to walk around. I'll catch y'all on the next video.